Make sure to follow the directions on the product package. Check the label to see if you should swallow the capsule whole, chew it, sprinkle it onto food, or mix it with liquid. If you're using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device or spoon. Don't use a regular household spoon. Some probiotic products contain live bacteria, like bifidobacteria. If you're taking antibiotics, these products may not work well. Take any product with live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. If you're using this product for diarrhea caused by antibiotics, don't use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days without talking to your doctor. If your symptoms persist or worsen, or if you think you have a serious medical issue, seek medical help immediately. If you experience an increase in stomach gas or bloating, let your doctor or pharmacist know. Contact your doctor immediately if you have any serious side effects, such as signs of infection or a serious allergic reaction. It's important to seek medical help if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. If you notice any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. Remember to follow the advice of your healthcare professional. Before using L.Acid-B.Bifidum-B.Animal-Fos capsule, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have any health problems such as recurring infections, weakened immune system, or diabetes, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using this product. And before undergoing surgery, make sure to inform your doctor about all the products you are using. As for the daily dosage and optimal timing, it is best to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare professional. When taking L.Acid-B.Bifidum-B.Animal-Fos capsules, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions could change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics, like L.Acid-B.Bifidum-B.Animal-Fos capsules, include antibiotics and antifungals such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, and nistidine. It's important to discuss any potential interactions with your healthcare provider before starting this medication. As always, consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. If you or someone else has taken too much of this medication and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, and in Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Be sure to keep all of your medical and lab appointments. It's important to note that some brands of L.Acid-B.Bifidum-B.Animal-Fos capsule may also contain additional ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you have any questions about the specific ingredients in the brand you are using, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. In terms of daily dosage, it is recommended to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider or the directions on the product label. As for the optimal timing, it is generally best to take this capsule at the same time each day to maintain a consistent level in your body. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take your next dose at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing L.Acid-B.Bifidum-B.Animal-Fos capsules, it's important to follow the instructions on the product package. Some probiotics may need to be refrigerated, while others do not. Be sure to keep all medications, including probiotics, out of reach of children and pets. When it's time to get rid of expired or unused L.Acid-B.Bifidum-B.Animal-Fos capsules, it's important to do so properly. Instead of flushing them down the toilet or pouring them into a drain, it's best to consult with your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the correct way to dispose of them. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.